Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS neon button effect. Let's start to code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and the title is CSS neon button effect. Inside the body, we want to add a div and the class name is button. And inside this we want to type button. Let's save the file. It's okay now. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin is 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file. Then the margin is right. Let's start to style our body. Display flex, justify content is center and the align item is center. Height is 100 VH and the width is 100%. Background color is #262626FF. Let's save the file. The background color is right. Let's start to style our class button. Display is flex, justify content center and align items center. And the font color is white and font size is 50 pixel. Font weight is bold and letter spacing is 2 pixel and height is 100 pixel, width 300 pixel, and we want to add border 2 pixel solid line and box shadow 1 pixel, 20 pixel black, and border radius is 50 pixel. Let's save the file. The button is okay now. Back to code and class button over. Inside this we want to create an animation and the name is neon. Duration 1 second, linear 1 forwards, and the cursor is pointer. And we want to create our animation keyframes and the animation name is neon. Inside this we want to create 0% and background color is lime. And we want to add a box shadow 1 pixel, 20 pixel lime green. Let's copy this 0% and paste it 2 times, and this is 50% and this is 100%, this is 40 and this is 60. Let's save the file. Refresh. Nice blowing neon effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.